This activity is called 3-Pin Jailbreak Dodge. Before you watch the rules to this game, be sure that you've checked out my standard dodgeball rules video. For this activity, you're going to want to have 3 bowling pins per team, and if you don't have bowling pins, just use 2-liter bottles. You're going to want to have them placed near the back of the playing field on each team. When a pin or bottle gets knocked down, the team whose pin got knocked down gets a jailbreak. This means anybody who's out gets to come back in. So for example, say we're playing and I get hit with the ball, so I'm out, and I go sit in whatever the designated area is for being out. Somebody from the other team throws a ball and knocks down one of my pins or bottles. It's a jailbreak for my team. Me and all of my teammates get to come back in the game. Now let's talk about a little bit of strategy with this. Say that the other team is down to 1 pin or bottle, and I still have all 3 of mine, but I'm the only player left, and I don't feel like having 20 dodgeballs get thrown at me. I can knock down one of my own pins to get my whole team in. This game is called 3-Pin Jailbreak Dodge.